I am deeply honored and humbled to accept the Education Award from the Sheila Y. Oliver Civic Association and to be here today surrounded by so many who have come together to celebrate the legacy of the late Lieutenant Governor. To be recognized by an organization that carries the name and legacy of the late Sheila Y. Oliver is not only a privilege, it's a powerful reminder of how our work at Atlantic Cape Community College aligns with the work of the association. Like many, I affectionately refer to her as the LG. I first met the LG about 20 years ago when she was invited to be the keynote speaker at a women's conference I was organizing. Some years later, we met again in Atlantic City when she was chairperson of Governor Murphy's Atlantic City Restart and Recovery Working Group, and I served as a member of that group representing the college. As busy as her schedule was, she always took time to speak with me about the college and the contribution of revitalization of Atlantic City. And as many of you know, Atlantic City held a special place in her heart. Her dedication and commitment to our community and to New Jersey shined through in everything that she did. In fact, we last met in February 2023, just 6 months before her passing, when she came to the college for the dedication of our new Innovation Center. We took a photo that day, which hangs very prominently in my office. I will always remember that special day. She touched the lives of so many as she advocated for improving the lives of the residents of New Jersey. Each of us has been touched in some way by Sheila Oliver's legacy. Let us continue to honor that legacy and the actions that we do every day, continuing the work that she did for our communities throughout New Jersey. The LG was more than just a presence in our lives. She was a force. Her kindness, her determination, her laughter, and her wisdom have left a legacy that none of us will ever forget. What she left behind are more than just memories. It is a path forward. We honor her not just in words today, but in the way we choose to live, in how we treat each other, and in how we continue to speak her name with pride. To the Sheila Y. Oliver Civic Association, thank you for recognizing me and reminding all of us that we work together to make things matter. This moment fuels my commitment to continue the journey, not just to open doors through education, but to transform students' lives. This recognition for pushing boundaries and forging new paths in the field of education is not mine alone. It belongs to every student who dared to dream, every educator who challenged the status quo, and every community that believed in progress even when the odds were stacked against us. Thank you again. I'm honored to receive this award.